Do you ever wonder why penguins waddle instead of walking normally? That awkward walk is actually brilliant physics. For the surprising reason, like and subscribe. Penguins have ultra-short legs positioned far back on their bodies for swimming efficiency. On land, this gives them a low center of gravity but makes walking inefficient. Research shows their waddle lets them convert up to 80% of their energy into forward motion using a side-to-side pendulum motion. It also helps them conserve heat by minimizing exposed surface area. In snow, they toboggan on their bellies, which is even more energy efficient. Efficient awkwardness. That's your 1 minute why.